This is the end result so far. Um, Got to clean up the brush, clean up in there, put some more black mulch. But ultimately, I would like this thing to come over and kind of hide more of the electric charger. And I might show this tree more, this little evergreen. I don't know, maybe I'll box him. Maybe I'll just cut it down, cut it, and then make it into a square box. I'm not sure yet. But I think the best way to do this kind of thing is slowly. Definitely this thing must be traumatized. There's a lot of cutting. I'm going to slowly bring it into shape. I'm hoping these guys look like they're falling already. So what I didn't want was this thing was getting so big, it was going to kind of block somewhat seeing. So that was my goal too. I also have another one over there, which I'd like to maybe do something with. I don't think it's that big, but I think I might start to try to make some weird looking shape out of it. Started early.